Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a mobile web app with Bootstrap, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your development environment. Download and install a code editor of your choice. Visual Studio Code is a popular option for many developers. Create a new folder for your project. Inside this folder, create an index.html file. Open the index.html file in your code editor. Start by adding the basic HTML structure. Type HTML, head, and body tags. Within the head section, include the Bootstrap CSS. You can use a CDN link for Bootstrap. Copy the link from the Bootstrap website and paste it inside the head section. Next, add a title to your web app within the title tag. Now, let's create a navigation bar. Inside the body, add the Bootstrap navbar component. Use the appropriate Bootstrap classes like navbar, navbar-expand-lg, and navbar-lite. Include your app's name as a brand in the navbar. Now, create a main content area in the body. Use a Bootstrap container class for proper spacing. Add a heading and a paragraph to describe your app. Next, let's add some buttons for interactivity. Bootstrap provides various button styles. Choose a primary button style for your main action. Add buttons in a row using the Bootstrap grid system. You can also add images to enhance your app's visual appeal. Use the Bootstrap image classes to keep the layout responsive. Now, let's make our app mobile-friendly. Ensure all elements are inside the container class. Use the responsive utilities provided by Bootstrap. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.